Hello and welcome to Challenge to Build. In today's video, I am finally going to install the mini starter for the 1986 Chevy Suburban 2500 with the 454 that you see here behind me. Over the past couple of days, I went ahead and tried to replace the starter to find, once I dropped out the starter, just by luck, the flex plate was missing a tooth. So I went ahead and repaired the flex plate, basically just to see if I could do it. Had a successful repair, and I just wanted to do a temporary fix because I have big plans for this coming up here, hopefully within the next couple of months. And I really didn't want to get involved in dropping the transmission out, buying a new flex plate, installing, reinstalling everything, and then finally getting to do the starter. So I repaired it. There is a video that you can check out on my channel going over that. However, today is starter installation day. I got this mini starter from Amazon for less than $100. This will fit a lot of different engine applications, small block and big block Chevy specifically, 153 or 168 tooth flex plates or flywheels, and different generations. You're going to have to look to make sure that this fits your application. As far as big block, it will only fit Gen 1 small block Chevys, but it will fit Gen 3 Mark IV, Gen 5 and Gen 6 big blocks, with a few others that might be some misinformation. So if you are looking for a mini starter, just do your due diligence and make sure that this will fit the specific application. Along with the starter, I have the insulation blanket, heat reflective, because the previous starter suffered from heat soak. That's what all this was about. And with the starter, they also give you new starter bolts, a couple of shims for different installation purposes, and a terminal because I will have to replace the ring terminal with a spade terminal, which is what I'm going to do first. So this way here I have room to work. So that is the premise. Now it's time to challenge the build. The first thing I'm going to do is, before I get the starter up in here, since I have room to work, I need to change out this ring terminal to a spade terminal. And they do supply you with the spade terminal, but I am going to replace it with a heat shrink spade. So this way here, we won't have a moisture problem down in the connection over the long term. So pretty straightforward process. And then finish it off with a little heat. Now before I go and install the starter, I want to wrap it with the heat shield. Again, bought off Amazon. There's the stainless straps. This is just a universal heat shield. So, little wrappy wrap. I think I just messed that one up. That's all right. Actually worked better than I thought. Now to install it. Now it's just a matter of reversing the process. What I'm going to do first is put the battery cable on, and then plug in the trigger wire, and then bolt it up. Plug in the trigger wire. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the starter without any shims first, and then attempt to start it. See what we got. They supply you with two, I think, what, 20 thousandths shims? Whoops, I didn't have that one done. That could have been ugly. Now we just turn the key and see what happens. Hopefully no damage. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spin this flywheel past the damaged section first. So this way here it has all that time to start. So this way here it doesn't hit it on the first shot. All right, watch your eyes. Here goes nothing. Sounds strong. Doesn't sound terrible. Let me take a look at the gear and see if we can see if it's meshing. Guess I could use a little marking compound, but I don't have any. I think I want to go with it. I don't see any real excessive wear when it's coming out and engaging. I don't hear any hard bangs, clanks, or anything. I'm pretty satisfied, and it sounds super smooth. So I'm going to get this thing off jack stands and fire it up. So after an unexpected dental appointment for a new tooth, I repaired the flex plate, installed a new starter, and here we go with a well-deserved cold start. That's how I'm going to wrap up this episode. I'm going to go out and take this old girl for a drive, heat that starter up, make sure I don't have any issues with heat soak. I doubt that I will. Sounds super smooth, way better than before. Here's the previous. And then obviously a new starter. So if you're looking for a high torque mini starter for your hot rod or daily driver, take a look at the one I bought off of Amazon. There will be links in the description below. Thanks for watching. Get out there, go challenge your build, and I'll see you in an upcoming video.